Hey everyone, Kevin Muldowney here. What I'm going to do in this video is review a great theme from CyberChimps called Altitude. This is a responsive theme, so it will look great on mobile devices, on smartphones, on tablets. It can be used as a corporate design, can be used for blogs, and it can be used in a number of different ways. WordPress is a very versatile platform, and this theme is very versatile in that respect as well. One of the great things is that it comes with Slide Deck 3, which is a fantastic plugin that helps you publish beautiful slides and social media and all these kind of fantastic professional looking slides on your website. Slide Deck is one of my favorite slider plugins for WordPress. I was really pleased to see it included in this design. Now the theme retails for $47, but there's a few different pricing options you can get with CyberChimps. You can purchase all 42 themes and plugins from CyberChimps for $11 per month, or just pay a yearly fee of $97. But what I'm going to do is just quickly talk about the features here. The theme is 100% responsive, easy to use, features a parallax effect header image, and it's been optimized for speed. It's lightweight, and it's going to help you load up pages much quicker, which obviously helps with SEO rankings and things like that. I'll just quickly show you the demo to show you what this theme looks like. So this is the demo here, and you can see this large image at the top. You've got the header, social media links at the top right hand side, and you can see the different blog posts being, I think that's the blog post. I was going to say if that's pages, that's definitely blog posts. And I'll show you the blog page itself. It's got a single column design here. That's what's being used in the demo. And I really love how the large images are being used in this design. Got a great minimal design, looks great, very clean layout. And there's a second demo here. This shows you another way how it could be used. Now, in this demo, you can see Slide Deck being used. This is an example of how Slide Deck can be used, but Slide Deck is so versatile that it can be used in a number of different ways. I'll talk about Slide Deck in a moment, but just be aware of how versatile it is. It really is a fantastic plugin. So I've installed Altitude on my test blog, and all I have to do now is activate the theme. And when you've activated the theme, you'll see this notice at the top that says that the following recommended plugin is currently inactive. So Slide Deck 3, a personal license for Slide Deck 3 is included with this purchase. And all you have to do is click activate. If it's not already been installed, you might have to install it there. And that's it. So if you go back to the theme area now, yep, there we go. So the Slide Deck menu there. Now, the Slide Deck 3 menu is separate from the theme menu because it is a separate plugin. And you can see the option here, you can add a dynamic source, social media, etc. Or you can use custom content, use images, videos, HTML. Now, you can see here the variety of feeds and sources that you can use with Slide Deck. It's amazing what you can do with it. The interface is very simple to use. I've did reviews of this in the past, and it's one of my favorite slider plugins from a usability point of view. It's fantastic. And if you go to slidedeck.com, you can see more of the features that are on offer. You can see more examples, and you can see here that it supports images, video, HTML, text. And there's lots of examples on there of the type of sliders that you can build using Slide Deck. So I recommend going to slidedeck.com and checking this out in more detail to give you an idea of what you can do with this slider. You've got all these different lenses, which is different designs. You've got 14 included. They're responsive. You can do lazy loading. The version that's included with Altitude is a personal license. Now, the personal license actually retails for more than what Altitude sells for. So the personal license retails at $69. And look at all these different features you get with the personal license. You do, of course, have the option of upgrading to the developer and professional licenses, but I'm sure most people will be very happy with what you get in the personal license. So it's great to see that included in the theme. Now, the account for the Altitude, there's not a dedicated theme options page. What they've done instead is integrated everything into the theme customizer. And that's something I think is a great positive for this theme, because it means that you can make changes to your theme, to your website, to your design, and you can see the design changes live. You don't have to keep switching back and forth between the theme options area and your live website. And this is what you're seeing here is, as soon as I've activated the theme, you're seeing this page here. Now, this page here, home version 1, this is another test I did in the past, and you can see there's been a lot of Visual Composer code being used there. And you can see other, like here's another example of how a blog post would look. Now, using this theme customizer, you can change a lot of options here. You can change the tagline. So I could use Altitude theme. You can see it changing there. Theme options. You can add home button text, home button links. Page titles you can change. You can change the sidebar from the right to the left. And as you can see with the WordPress theme customizer, look how, I mean, it's did that, you know, all of this happens instantly. You don't have to wait for it to happen. I really wish more theme developers would do this. And you can see here the option for Twitter and other social media, Facebook, Google+, LinkedIn. And, you know, if I just copy this down, if you look at the top right-hand side, boom, see all the social media links up here? So that's great how that happens automatically. You can change the color scheme of the header. That's the header text, sorry. Now, obviously, you know, purple isn't going to be the best option for you there, but it is great that you can change it to anything you want. Perhaps white would look better there. You can change the logo. So the logo there, you can change that. The home header image as well, that big image at the top. Now, the theme's recommended 2000 by 1006 pixels. So if you find a large image, you can just crop it. Make sure you get the one that's, you know, that's not got any copyright on it. There's the header image that's been cropped. And then there's the menus. And now you can see the main navigation menu here. I've got lots of different menus here. And you can move it around and change things. Now the menu locations, you can change the footer. Change that. Look, see it? That's the menu changed. Footer menu. Put that as the main navigation menu, and at the bottom you can see that's changed. That's how easy it is to make changes to your theme. It really is very, very user friendly using this WordPress customizer. You can put in copyright text to the theme, and you can add in widgets to your sidebar and your front page there. All you can do is you can select different pages for your home page. And for your post page, you can select which page is being used as your blog index. The great thing about all of this is obviously, you know, it's all being done directly through the WordPress theme customizer. And as I said, with the slide deck, you can integrate any one of these fantastic themes into one of these fantastic slides directly into your website. It really does work fantastically. So I'll just quickly show you the demo again before I close up. This is the theme, it's Altitude. And what you get from the theme really depends on how much you customize it in the WordPress theme customizer, whether you add slides, how you're integrating images. But you can see how clean this theme is. I think it's suitable for a blog. I think it works great as a corporate website, but there's a lot of other ways I'm sure it could be used. You could perhaps integrate it with something like WooCommerce and do an online shop. So if you're a big fan of minimal designs, clean layouts, something that's responsive that will look good on smartphones and tablets, then I recommend checking it out. All you have to do is go to the CyberChimps store and look down at themes, and you'll find it in the theme store there, listed under all. I believe it's listed under blog as well. I can check that for you. And you can see all the different themes here that are available through CyberChimps. And all of these themes are available. There's that which is there. All of these themes are available if you choose to opt for the membership. If you don't want a membership, if you don't need all those themes and plugins, just go for the $47 one-off fee option. But there's a lot of great themes there, and there's a lot of great plugins that are on sale on CyberChimps. You know, there's a slider plugin, exit pop-up, etc. So I recommend checking them all out to decide. But before you decide for the $47 option, check out what they've got on the membership and all the benefits of having a membership as well. Thanks for watching, guys. This has been the Altitude WordPress theme by CyberChimps. Check it out at cyberchimps.com. Be sure to check out the demo before you purchase to make sure it does exactly what you want. I'm sure you'll be happy with it. It's a great responsive theme, and it's secure, it's fast, and it's built using, as you can see here, HTML5 and CSS3. So it is well designed. I've been Ken Muldoon, and I hope you have enjoyed this look at the Altitude WordPress theme. Till next time, take care.